Hi there. Two letters make one sound. This is a digraph. Letter C gives the sound K, like in car. Letter H gives H, like in hand. The two letters C and H together make one sound. Ch. Ch. Listen to the beginning of the following words. Chair, chicken, chick, cheese, chocolate, chimpanzee, cherry, chips, children. Listen to ch sound at the end of the following words. Watch, beach, sandwich, peach, crutch, couch. Now think of the following words. Read the following.